Welcome to this channel. Need your Monzo IBAN and BIC SWIFT code to receive international transfer but don't know where to look? Stay right there. I will show you how to find these Monzo Bank international account details on the mobile app and copy them promptly. Let's begin. First, open the Monzo Bank app on your phone. Log in, and your main dashboard will appear. Tap the Option button. It's those three little dots under your account balance. From the Option drop-down, select Share Account Details. One tap, and you're in. Now you'll see all your Monzo account details, domestic and international. These are your name, bank, account number, sort code, and the star of the show, your IBAN and BIC. These are the golden keys your sender needs for that international wire. Here's the move. Tap on your IBAN and BIC to select them. Those empty boxes beside them will get a check mark. You can also tap your name and bank if you want to include them. Totally up to you. Once you've got your selections, look down and hit that Share Details button. From here, either tap Copy to paste it anywhere, or hit Share It to your email, messages, WhatsApp, Facebook, or other listed apps. Before you run off, here's a crucial recap and tip. Since you only need the international account details, IBAN and BIC, do not tap the Select All button at the bottom. Why? Because that will also grab your domestic details, like your account number and sort code, which the international sender doesn't need. Keep it clean. Select only the IBAN and BIC, and you're good to go. And that's how to know and get your Monzo international account details, IBAN and BIC. So, if you found this video helpful, like and subscribe for more banking hacks. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.